Revolutionize your cleaning process with the global industrial recirculating water ride-on floor scrubber. Perfect for high-demand commercial and industrial environments, this cutting-edge floor scrubber boasts a unique 4-stage filtration system that efficiently reclaims and reuses water throughout the cleaning process. This allows for uninterrupted cleaning for the entire runtime of the battery and eliminates downtime to repeatedly drain dirty water and refill the solution tank. Equipped with one 36-volt rechargeable battery and a large 80-gallon solution and recovery tank, this scrubber provides a 34-inch wide cleaning path and up to 4 hours of continuous operation for best-in-class floor care efficiency. From the convenient variable drive speed selector to the intuitive fingertip controls, everything you need to operate this scrubber is within easy reach of the driver's seat. The 4-stage filtration system recycles water by means of a dual mechanical filtering action and a separation stage for decanting, ensuring consistent cleaning results every time. Let's take a closer look at how the filtration technology works. Dirty water is collected in the recovery tank, passing through the first filtration stage. Coarse debris is collected in the basket filter. Water is sent to the decantation system where viscous liquids are filtered. The integrated coalescence filter accelerates the particle separation process. Water then arrives at the decantation compartment, where an additional gravity separation of particles and further filtration occurs. Finally, the filtered water level rises and transfers into the solution tank. This is where the final filtration step occurs before recycled and cleansed water is once again dispersed at the brush assembly underneath. A 43-inch wide, heavy-duty cast aluminum squeegee assembly provides streak-free water recovery. The powerful brush motor delivers 180 RPM for effective cleaning. Navigating your facility is effortless with the machine's 46-degree turning radius. A coverage rate of 73,000 square feet per hour, combined with the eco-friendly water filtration system, means less pit stops and more cleaning. Save water and labor with the innovative and eco-friendly Global Industrial Recirculating Water Ride-On Floor Scrubber. Learn more about our commercial cleaning equipment online. Global Industrial, the source for industrial equipment and supplies.